Hey guys, I was gifted these solar clip-on lights to do a little unboxing and try them out and give you my opinion of them. So we're going to get them opened up and see what we got, and then I'm going to get them out there to start soaking in some sun. Then we'll check them out either tonight or tomorrow night. I may let them get a full charge, and then we're going to check them out because I want to make sure they work good. Let's get them opened up. Oh, it looks like these do come with a remote control as well. I see a remote control on the side of the box there. Battery capacity 1500 milliamps, charging time 6 to 7 hours. We'll have to check back tomorrow night probably. Remote control distance 5 to 7 meters. Induction distance 5 to 7 meters. Sensing time over 500 charges. Got these little hangers here. You can hang your light from this, attach that to a wall. Our light on this side and our solar panel on this side. Honestly, it makes me think of a huge chip clip. Really cool. I like that. Something so simple. It's already getting a little charge in here. Had a light on. Oh, look at there. We have power. Gonna have different modes. Oh, okay, look at there. Has a USB-C port and a USB-A port. So you can charge these things up manually also, okay? This is gonna be the same exact thing that's in this. Our remote controls here, 2 USB-A to USB-C charging cords, this mounting hardware, screws for it, and our little instruction manual here. USB charging, yes, you can charge it by USB or by solar. There's a little closer look. You got your on and your off. You have 3 modes here. You have warm, neutral, and white light temperatures. Got a timer, a 3-hour, 5-hour, and an 8-hour, and a time off. You can set the timer right there. You run 50% or 100%. And your power button here. And here was the USB-A to USB-C charging ports. And of course your solar panel there. You can take these hooks and you could hook them like they're right there, hang it from the wall, or you can take the mounting brackets and slide them, take the mounting bracket, slide it on just like so, and put that on the wall. The mode 1 says dim light will stay on all night, full brightness for 13 seconds when motion is detected. Mode 2 is full brightness for 13 seconds when motion is detected at night, then turns off automatically. Mode 3 is dim light, light up at night and turn off until the timer ends or until dawn. So if you don't want them on unless motion is detected, we want to go with mode 2. Mode 1, if you want them to stay on at 50% and then go 100% when motion is detected. And if you can see it right here is a mode light. It says mode 1 shows red indicator, mode 2 shows a blue indicator, and mode 3 shows a pink indicator. That's pretty cool that you'll be able to see what mode it's in on the light itself. That's red, blue, and then the pink. I think we want it on mode 2. There we go. Those are bright. That's going to light up the yard pretty good. I'm going to go get them set up and we will check them out after dark. Okay, we are going to test out these lights and see how well they work. I've got one right there. Right there. It kicked on already. That is nice. It lights it up plenty good to see right in here. Now I've got the rest of them right out there. You notice you can see the little blue lights. It means they've got power. Got another one right over here. Let's go check this one out first. Okay, step right around here. Funny, they kind of look blue in this camera. Here we go. Should be kicking on. There we go. Now if you was out here needing to clean your trunk out of your car or get something out of your trunk, you would be able to. Be able to get into your car and you can see really well right out here. Now let's go check out the ones out by the storage shed. Not sure when they'll kick on. We will see. Should be relatively pretty quick. There's one, there's two. You can see it lights it up pretty good back here. You can even see the back porch over there. See the other one where it was on. Now remember, these do have 3 modes, and I just happened to have brought the remote with me. So mode 1 should go to dim. There we go. And if we get real still, it should go to, well, let's move up out of here. Here, we'll stand kind of right up, kind of behind them a little bit. They should go to dim and stay on until motion is detected. I think that one just dimmed down. Yep, they both just dimmed down. Now, when it detects motion, it kicks back on. Now, if you wanted to go to mode 3 and just leave them at dim all the time, that will stay dim until you can set the timer on it, and it will run at this brightness for whatever you set the timer at, or you can run it until dawn, and at daylight it will turn off automatically. There you have it. Really cool. These are definitely a thumbs up. I do like them. I like to be able to walk out here in the yard and the lights come on, and I don't have to flip no switches, run no power cords or anything. I don't have any AC out here by the shed anymore. So it is what it is, and that's where these lights will really shine. No pun intended. You're right here. There. We'll use the lights to light up the face. Anyway, if you'd like to get some of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.